In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a LeadPages sales page, giving you the skills to build high-converting pages that can help drive your sales up. But stick around to the end because I'm also going to share some alternatives to LeadPages that you might want to consider before you commit. Trust me, you'll want to hear about them. Let's dive right into creating a sales page on LeadPages. First thing you need to do is log into your account. If you don't have one, you can start a free trial, which is a great way to get familiar with the platform without any commitments. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, click on the Create New Landing Page button. Next thing, you'll be asked to choose a template. LeadPages offers a variety of pre-designed templates that are already optimized for conversions. Choose one that best fits your sales goal. You'll see categories like lead generation or sales pages, which can guide your decision. You can always edit these templates, so don't worry about it being perfect right away. Now, let's customize the page. Click on the sections you want to change, like the headline, text, or images. This is where you'll make the page unique to your brand. Make sure your headline is bold and clear about what value your visitors will get from your product or service. You want to grab their attention immediately. Next thing, let's talk about adding a call to action, CTA. This is crucial for converting visitors into leads or customers. LeadPages allows you to add buttons or forms. Make sure your CTA is clear, action-driven, and stands out on the page. Something like "Get started now" or "Claim your free trial" works well. Don't make them hunt for it. The fourth thing, integrate your page with an email marketing platform. LeadPages integrates with a variety of tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and more. By connecting it to your email list, you can follow up with visitors who sign up and nurture them through your sales funnel. Another key thing to keep in mind is mobile optimization. LeadPages automatically optimizes your pages for mobile, but make sure you preview it on mobile before you publish. You'd be surprised how many people skip the step and end up with a page that looks terrible on smartphones. Once you're satisfied with your design, hit publish, and now your sales page is live. But before you go, you need to track how well it's performing. LeadPages offers analytics to show you how many people visit your page, how long they stay, and what actions they take. This data is crucial for optimizing your page and increasing conversions. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While LeadPages is an amazing tool for creating landing pages, it's not always the best option for everyone. Some users find it a bit limited in customization. You might want to look at competitors like ClickFunnels or even Kartra, which offer similar features with more flexibility. ClickFunnels is a strong contender, especially if you want to build entire sales funnels with upsells and downsells. But be aware, ClickFunnels can get expensive quickly. Kartra is another great alternative with built-in email marketing features. However, these alternatives might not be the best choice if you're just looking to create simple, no-fuss sales pages. Now, before you decide, I want to mention something important. We've partnered with LeadPages to offer you an exclusive, extended free trial, only available through our link in the description. But as I mentioned, you should also check out the other alternatives I mentioned that may work better for your specific needs, and they also have free trials available. So, check out all the options and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching.